Hi there. Thank you so much. That's the air conditioner for my camper van. I'm going to let you just put it on the rail if you don't mind. And bless you for all that you're doing. Thank you. Bye. Hi everybody, Debra here. Today I have a very special video about installing this thing that is going to save my life this summer. I have been at Chuck and Letty's throughout the coronavirus shutdown, and we're going to tell you how we got this installed, and at the end I'll tell you why I installed it. You're trimming your azalea bushes to save them.
Yes, ma'am.
I took the window out. I built a temporary platform. I inserted the air conditioner to make sure everything worked okay and how it was going to fit. Now I'm trying to decide the angle that I have to put on the air conditioner to make sure that it still goes in, and yet the ventilation is on the outside and the water doesn't go in. So now I think I've got the angle I need. Now I have to build a metal frame around it and attach the air conditioner to the metal frame and the metal frame to the window opening. That's about it.
That's pretty amazing, Chuck. Thank you.
It's not amazing till it's finished.
It's still amazing.
Debra's trying to tell me where to stick my thumb, and you can use your imagination, just like I did.
Bandit. What you doing, Bandit? Huh? What you doing? What do you think of our new air conditioner? Huh? What you think? So you used the cardboard for a template, huh?
Yep, and then marked it on the metal and cut it.
Well, that's really brilliant.
This is the devil weed itself. It is thorns and it grows all up in the trees.
Well, when I left you last, Letty, you were trimming azaleas.
Yeah, well, I have to get these thorns out. I'm still trimming azaleas. This is just awful.
Looks like you're pulling an extension cord. So today I am with Chuck, the mastermind behind installing my air conditioner. You can look in the video description and the pinned comment and see what style it is. And if you would, please, if you're going to get one, please order it through my Amazon affiliate account. And I'm going to let Chuck tell you how he installed my air conditioner.
Okay, first of all, we needed to make sure that we ordered the smallest unit that we could order. Mainly because it has to fit in a small window. The air conditioner itself, when it's mounted, it has to be slightly down so the water drains out, so it doesn't drain in on the bed. And if you'll notice, the angle of the back is at such an angle that you want it out as far as it can go, but it has to be sealed. Part of it has to go in. So one of the things that we did when we lucked out, I remembered that when the air conditioner opens, that it has to be over this way so far that when the door opens, the back of the air conditioner misses the outside of the van. But what I didn't realize was that when you also open it on this door, the front has to miss the inside of the second door. Debra sleeps this direction in the bed, so she wanted the air conditioner at her feet. A better location to mount the air conditioner would be in this door because it's not opened and closed as often. But the way that you would do it, you take the glass out, the 4 bolts, you take aluminum and cut it to fit the opening. I matched the glass the best I could, and then I just put the aluminum back in using the holes that were already in the door. So I bolted the aluminum in and then measured the size of the air conditioner. Now the width is the same, but the height, because it comes in an angle, has to be more. So you start out with the right size, and then you have to start cutting it larger and larger to get the angle. But you want the air conditioner resting on the metal at the bottom and bolted on the angle in the top, so it won't move. And it's all been sealed with silicone sealant all the way around the window, and then around the air conditioner itself, all the way around. Now then, because of the angle, when you go to the inside, right here, there are vents here. So I put plastic over the vents and sealed that. This goes to the outside right here. But because of that angle, you have to do that. So you want it back as far as it can go, and it sticks out quite far at the bottom. So it's the best thing to do is do it all in cardboard first, and then do it for real afterwards. That's about it. And also, it's 400 watts, between 400 to 500, most of the 5,000 BTU ones, and you can run those off of a 1,000-watt generator.
And two of the things that Chuck was really brilliant about is making sure that it is centered such that it doesn't hit metal in 2 different places. So like when we open it, it can't hit this door as it comes out, and it can't hit the side of the van when it's open. And Chuck thought of that and reconfigured things and just got it in perfectly.
See you down the road.
Thank you for being here on my channel with me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider sharing it on your social media, and be sure that you have subscribed and rung that bell so that you get notified of future videos. I have t-shirts and stickers that you can find in the video description, as well as my books.